Hello friends, welcome back to the practical session in Python. Today let's discuss about the string alignment, that is aligning the string to the left or to the right or to the center. Firstly, let's see how the left alignment works. The syntax for it is string dot left just. In parenthesis we have the parameter, we have to pass the parameters width comma fill character. Width is the length and fill character is what value we should fill in the what value it should be padded with. So suppose say my st1 string is having the value welcome. So the length of the string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now if I say left justify my string, so the syntax for it is print st1 dot ljust, and within parenthesis I'm passing 20 comma no fill character. I'll just pass the width. Fill character is, if we don't specify anything in the fill character, it will take spaces as the filling character. So now if I say print st1 dot ljust 20, and now if I run the code, it will print welcome, and it will give a space of, since welcome is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 characters, the remaining 13 characters will be filled with space and it will be left justified. Similarly, now if I want to right justify my string, I say print st1 dot rjust, that is right justify, and then I give 20. So now if I run the code, I get to the, it is justified to the right. So 13 characters will be filled with spaces and 7 characters will be filled with welcome. So 13 plus 7 will be, total will be 20 characters. So that is the width of the string. Now if I want to align my string to the center, I specify print st1 dot center and then 20. So now if I run the code, welcome will come in between. So this is left justified, this is right justified, and this is the center justified. This is without having fill character. So space will be provided for the remaining characters. Now let's see how it works when we give the space, when we give the fill character. So if I say print st1 dot ljust 20 comma in quotes I specify percent hash. So now if I run the code, I get welcome and there are no spaces. Since we have given hash in the fill character, the remaining spaces will be filled with hash. Similarly, if I right justify st1 dot rjust 20 comma hyphen. Now if I run the code, I have to give it in quotes. Now if I run the code, you get all hyphens initially and the text will be right justified to the right. Now if I give center alignment, print st1 dot center 20 comma hyphen. So now if I run the code, the hyphen will be appended both on the left and the right, and the 7 digits in the center will be occupied by welcome. So this is how left justified, right justified, center justified works. and this is how left justified with fill character, right justified with fill character, and center with fill character works in Python. So this is how the text is aligned in Python. There is a second method of, there is also a second method in which we can do the alignment. Let's see that particular method. So what is the second method? So for this I specify print, it is f double quote and then braces. Within braces you have to mention the string, that is st1 colon. For left justified it is left justified, the symbol is this, lesser than, left justified. And for right, if it is greater than, it is right justified. And if it is exponential, then it is center justified. So now I print, this is the syntax, f double quote string colon, and then you have to specify it left justify. So I am giving lesser than 20, and I close my code, I close my quotes. Now if I run the code, we see that welcome is left justified. Now let's try out for right justification. So print f double quotes braces st1 colon, right justified is greater than 20, braces close, quotes close. Now run the code. We see that welcome is right justified. Now if I want to align it to the center, I give print f colon brace, f quotes braces st1 colon exponential 20 braces close, quotes close. And now if I run the code, welcome will be center aligned. So this is another method, that is for left justification we use the lesser symbol, right justified we use the greater symbol, and center justified we use the exponential symbol. And the first method was the built-in function ljust rjust center, and the syntax was ljust width and fill character, rjust width and fill character, center width and fill character. If the fill character is not specified, then spaces will be considered for filling. If the fill character is specified, that particular character will be used for padding or filling. So these were the different types in which we can do the alignment of the string. Hope so friends, it's clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button, and please do subscribe to get notifications of my future videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.